Hi, I'm Vince. Generally, wet laid surfaces are low maintenance. Here are a few things you can do to keep your hardscaping looking its best. At least once a year, you should scrub down surfaces with a mild bleach cleanser. We don't recommend power washing because it can cause permanent damage and could void your warranty. Any moss, mold, mildew, or algae stains can be removed with a solution like Wet and Forget. Never use metal shovels or tools to remove snow and ice. If you're using a snowblower, make sure you use rubber blades. Never use de-icers of any kind. They can cause permanent damage from pitting to cracking. Quality hardscaping and masonry will include a durable sealer, but staining can occur from rusting metal, flower pots, grease from grills, food and drink, or oil and gas. Keep gutters, downspouts, and drains clear because water can cause settlement and erosion, voiding your warranty. So as you can see, hardscaping and masonry don't require a lot of maintenance. Just a little bit of effort keeps it looking good for a long time.